positive change. We look at 3 apps to help you give up bad habits and start good ones. Quit Genius, Best You, and Change4Life Smart Recipes. Quit Genius was developed by Digital Therapeutics and is free to download with in-app purchases on both iOS and Android. It's a behavioural therapy app for quitting smoking. The app was created by doctors, psychologists, and world-leading experts in smoking cessation, and has undergone extensive research into proving its effectiveness. One study found that it was more effective than face-to-face therapy and quitting cold turkey, and it also showed that it had up to a 36% success rate in long-term quitting. Other evidence shows that Quit Genius, on average, reduces cigarette consumption by around 60%. Another study showed that after a week of using Quit Genius, participants felt more motivated to quit and also had better app usage. Quit Genius received an ORCHA score of 86 on Android and 87 on iOS. Best You, developed by Ice Creates Limited, is free to download and use on both iOS and Android. It's an app to facilitate positive lifestyle changes. For example, if a user wants to quit smoking, they can use the app to help them track how many cigarettes they're smoking and at what cost. They can then use this to set a goal for no cigarettes by a certain date. The app can be used in a similar way for alcohol consumption and healthy eating. In the app, users can also find real-life support groups, which could be just what they need to help them change for good. Best You achieved an ORCHA score of 72 on both iOS and Android. Change4Life Smart Recipes was developed by Public Health England. It's free to download and use on both iOS and Android. It's a recipe app to help users make better choices with regards to healthy eating. It can be used by anyone. It has recipes for breakfast, lunch, and evening meals, as well as healthy snacks. It also has a shopping list feature, which helps the user to collate all the ingredients that they'll need. The app was created by relevant Public Health England experts and helps the user to change their eating behaviours to improve their health. Change4Life Smart Recipes achieved an ORCHA score of 79 on Android and 78 on iOS. So there's another 3 amazing apps reviewed by ORCHA on their website. Click on the links in the description to download and explore them more. Why not help someone make positive change this month? Also, don't forget to click like and subscribe to our channel for more mobile health content.